It's a great day at Western GMC Buick, located on the corner of 184th Street and Stony Plain Rd in Edmonton, Alberta. Today we're looking at the 2015 Kia Forte EX. Taking a look inside the front of the car, the driver's door has power locks, power windows with 2 auto express windows, the child lock button, door storage, and front speakers. The left of the steering wheel has active eco mode and traction control. We've got a cloth interior. Next, I'll climb in and we'll take a look at the steering wheel. The left side has our audio buttons, and the right side has our cruise control buttons, as well as a heated steering wheel button. The digital dash. To the right, we've got a CD player and our infotainment center, hard buttons on either side of the screen, climate control buttons with air conditioning, some USB ports and power plug-ins, and heated front seats. The front of the Forte has fog lights. Under the hood is the 2-liter 4-cylinder engine, 17-inch aluminum wheels. The side mirrors have the turn signal indicator and privacy tint on all 4 windows. Taking a look inside the back of this 5-passenger car, the passenger door has power windows, door storage, and rear speakers. The back of the passenger front seat has a seat pocket. The back of our center console has the rear fans. The middle seat folds down into double cup holders or an armrest, and we can fold the rear seats down by pulling the lever located on the top of the seat. So come take a look at the 2015 Kia Forte EX today, or you can visit us online anytime, anywhere at westerngmcbuick.com.